The high-frequency electrotherapy device is an excellent tool for acne treatments, accelerates blood and lymph circulation, reduces wrinkles, and tightens the skin. Today I will be answering many questions requested by my subscribers from my previous high-frequency tutorials, and I will be putting the links below. I will be doing a two-part because there's so many questions and I want to answer the questions in detail. So very quickly, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maria and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online. I am an aesthetics instructor and an examiner, so I've seen how this device is done and used correctly. Love to connect with you, so let's get started. So question number one, what are the benefits of high frequency? Many. The painless, safe, gentle, oscillating high frequency current enhances blood circulation depending how you use it, increases collagen and elastin production, eliminates toxins and acne-causing bacteria, the pathogenic bacteria, encourages the lymph drainage and improves the skincare product absorption. So you can see that the benefits are many. Question number two, do you need a gauze for the high frequency application? Now, using gauze with high frequency is something that is taught in many aesthetic schools. Gauze, for me, is important because it promotes oxygen flow, which separates the layer between the wand and the skin. So there's like a little section where the gauze goes. The more oxygen is circulating, the more efficient and effective the device will be. And I explained this in detail how it works in one of my tutorials. Number three, can I use high frequency every day? A high frequency machine can be used daily as it is very safe and non-invasive procedure with no side effects if responsible precautions are being exercised. It is a beneficial treatment that caters a lot of skin types and addresses a lot of skin concerns ranging from acne, dry skin, and even hair loss. But you have to be very careful that you do not overuse it. Question number four, who should not use high frequency machine or device? High frequency is not recommended for individuals with the following conditions. If you have any metal, if you wear a pacemaker, if you have metal braces, heart condition, epilepsy, pregnancy, high blood pressure, inflammation or inflamed irritated skin, bad case of rosacea, and cuprose. I would like to talk a little bit about cuprose. If it's like a very mild case of cuprose, it's okay because it's a broken capillary and the oscillating current will help to move the stagnant blood in the broken capillaries. Now, if it's a very bad case of cuprose, then I would not do it. Rosacea, I would do a little bit, but you have to be very cautious because rosacea is a combination of broken capillaries and also papules. So be very gentle. Now, you must remove all your jewelry prior the treatment. If you have more questions about this, let me know below. Can you do high frequency on bare skin? You can use the high frequency device directly onto your clean skin or bare skin, but I personally prefer to use it over a gauze for acne, blemished skin, and a cream or serum for a mature that it helps for the product to absorb, and also it helps to for the probe to glide easier over the face. Number six, how long should you use the high frequency? Well, this machine is a pretty well tolerated procedure. However, to prevent drying the skin out or exacerbating acne, avoid using too long or too high of a setting. So be very careful. Stick to no more to 2-3 minutes in each area, up to 15 minutes for your whole face. Once a day, it's okay. Number 7, does high frequency tighten the skin? Well, with other procedures, the high frequency machine is extremely gentle and safe, and it's not an intrusive tool for common skin issues. They have been credited with treating acne, improving fine lines, wrinkles, and also tightening sagging skin and reducing dark circles and puffy eyes. Now, how can that happen? Is because the current stimulates your fibroblast, stimulating your collagen production. Number 8, does high frequency make hair grow? Well, the tingling and vibration from the high frequency improves the blood circulation, no matter if it's on the face or on your scalp. And it helps revitalize the dormant hair follicle. This leads to better hair growth, controls hair loss, and helps with dandruff issues as well. But it doesn't happen over one time. It is something that you need to do continuously and consistently every day. Number 9, does high frequency work on age spots? Well, why do you have age spots? If you have age spots because of hormonal imbalance or aging, age spots and fine lines are reduced, and many people report that their skin seems softer, tighter, brighter, smoother, and younger looking. However, in my opinion, I don't feel that it works that good on age spots, but that is my opinion. Number 10, can you use acids or retinol after high frequency? Personally, I would not use them at the same time. However, if you do make sure to use the high frequency facial device first. Otherwise, if you do it after, you could cause irritation or burns irritation to your skin, since the skin becomes very sensitive after retinol and retin-A's. Number 11, can you use vitamin C serum with high frequency? To protect your skin, you do need to have anti-aging and anti-free radical products. And I recommend adding a serum, vitamin C, to your skincare routine after the application of high frequency. This superstar ingredient brightens dull skin, boosts the collagen production. It also battles wrinkles and fights damaging free radicals. I use a True Science skincare, which I have listed below. Number 12, can you use high frequency on yourself? High frequency home devices are available for purchase, and you can use it in the comfort of your home. These compact devices are just as effective as the ones the professionals use at the spa. But be very careful not to overuse them, and do follow the protocols. I'm going to stop here, and the next week I will be doing the next portion, the part 2. Let me know if you have any questions or any further concerns, and if you have not subscribed yet and you enjoy these tutorials, please consider it. Give me a thumbs up, click on the notification bell so you will not miss any of my educational tutorials. I hope that you have found this video to be useful and walk away with simple and easy tips. Remember to treat yourself with love and respect. Until next time, take care.